You want to launch a digital product, but you're stuck without a niche, marketing designs, or ad scripts. We can solve that block with a 3-part automated system: precise niche validation, an Instagram carousel generator, and an organic UGC script builder. To set this up, you only need an AI text generator, a basic Python code editor, and a UGC video tool. By linking these specific tools together, you convert scattered AI prompts into a cohesive, repeatable business engine ready for deployment. Step 1 is identifying what to sell. We are going to build a prompt to uncover high-potential ebook niches, specifically tailored to the Indian market. We instruct the AI to ignore oversaturated topics like fitness or basic finance. Instead, we target acute pain points that millions experience and will gladly pay between $2.99 and $9.99 rupees to solve. To validate the idea, the AI maps 7 metrics: the exact problem, market size, current solutions, demand evidence, ebook angle, price expectation, and competition level. Let's apply this to a concrete example: navigating urban tenant laws and rental negotiations. Forcing the AI to hit these exact parameters ensures you don't spend weeks writing a book that nobody is actively searching to buy. Now that we have a product, we need marketing assets. Our Instagram carousel system operates on minimal inputs: just your brand name, handle, and a single primary color. From that one primary hex code, the system calculates a 6-token palette, generating the light, dark, and accent shades to keep the design unified. We pair that palette with a strict typography rule. We map a premium editorial serif font for the headings and anchor it with a highly readable sans serif font for the pie text. This storyboard shows the first 4 mandatory slides: hero, problem, solution, and features, alternating between light and dark backgrounds. The sequence concludes with details, how-to, and the call to action slide, locking the progress bar at 100%, focusing entirely on the CTA. This strict visual rhythm and the use of progressive disclosure prevents layout fatigue, ensuring the viewer stays engaged through the final swipe. The next challenge is getting that HTML layout out of the code editor and into high-resolution, export-ready images for Instagram. We handle this using Python. You have to strictly avoid shell scripts here, as variable interpolation will break the HTML structure during generation. We lock the HTML viewport at 420 by 525 pixels, then apply a device scale factor of 2.57. To finalize, images are embedded directly as base64 code, with a 3-second timeout ensuring custom Google fonts fully load. Setting up this specific rendering protocol guarantees perfect pixel mapping every time. It entirely eliminates the need to manually format layouts in graphic design software. With the product validated and social graphics rendered, we reach the final step: formatting a user-generated content script for platforms like Hicksfield. Before generating a single line of dialogue, the AI must define your ideal customer profile. That profile dictates the exact visual description of the avatar we generate to read the script. The prompt structure demands 4 layers: a vertical 9:16 aspect ratio, shot in natural daylight, with 0 filters for raw energy. The script starts with the hook and problem agitation. The avatar speaks in the first person about an active frustration. We strictly ban using the product name in the opening seconds. When the solution is introduced, the prompt must dictate a specific physical demonstration of the product being used. We avoid generic feature lists entirely. Finally, we move to proof and a soft call to action. The script provides concrete timeframes, ending with casual phrasing like, "I'll link it below." The ultimate constraints for this output are keeping the total spoken dialogue under 90 words and completely removing marketing buzzwords. Sticking to this 5-beat framework results in organic, authentic content that bypasses a modern consumer's psychological ad blockers. You now have a validated niche document, a pixel-perfect carousel array, and a fully scripted organic advertisement. Because this workflow relies on strict logic rather than manual labor, you can adapt it to launch digital products across entirely different industries in minutes. If you want more practical workflow guides like this one, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and turn on notifications. This automated, repeatable pipeline represents the true value of the workflow, a system capable of bringing any idea to market.